Now chapter 2, that is section D, question number 12 now. Okay. So in question number 12 it is given that the information obtained on the base of rank given by two judges to 8 contestants. It means n is equal to 8. Okay. For a dance competition is given below. Okay. So here 8 contestants here, so n equals to 8 here. Where Rx and Ry are the rank given to the contestants by the two judges respectively. Find Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Okay. So in this case, you have to find rank correlation coefficient. Okay. You have to find so with the help of R and sigma d square is given. Sigma d square is given, that is 126. Okay. Just put the formula and put the value. We will get the answer. So now question number, that is 12. Okay. Question number 12. So here sigma d square is given. Now see here, sigma Rx minus Ry whole square equals to sigma d square, and that is 126. Okay, that is given. Now just put the formula here. R equals to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square divided by n square minus 1. Okay, so here 1 minus 6 into sigma d square, value is 126 divided by n is 8 here. So 8 into 8 square minus 1. So here value is 1 minus 126 into 6. 126 into 6, value is 756. So here value is 756. Okay, divided by 8 is 64. 64 minus 1, that is 63. 63 into 8. 63 into 8. 504. So 504. Okay. So 1. Now divide the value here. 756 divided by 504. 756 divided by 504. Value is here 1.5. Okay. So value is 1.5. Now 1 minus 1.5, that is the answer is 0.5. Okay, minus 0.5. So here that is the relation of x and y, that is negative. Okay, correlation coefficient between x and y, that is a minus 0.5. Okay. So now next question, now question number 13 now. Here question number 13 is given that the rank given by two experts on the basis of interviews of 5 candidates for a job are 35, 54, 12, 23, 54, 541. Find the rank correlation coefficient from this data. Okay. The rank given by two experts, rank given by, it means Rx and Ry is given. Okay. It's just find difference only. So here rank is given. So find put the value of Rx and Ry. Okay. So that is a 35. 35 means, it means that value of Rx, that is 3, and 5 means value of Ry. Okay. So 3 and 5. Second value is 5 and 4. It's given question. Next value is 1, 2. Next value is 2, 3. Next value is 4, 1. Just find the here D. Okay. D means difference of Rx and Ry. So 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. 5 minus 4, that is 1. 1 minus 2, that is 1. Sorry, minus 1. 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay. So now here value is 3 plus 1, 4. So plus 4 is here. And 2 plus 2, that is minus 4. So value is 0. So value must be 0. Okay. If 0 is not coming, then I think that there is a mistake. Okay, so find next time. Okay, if 0 is not coming. Now find the value of d square. 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, 3 3s are 9. Okay. So here 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14, 15, 16. Okay. So 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 9, that is 16. Okay. Now put the value of here R. So R equals to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square upon n square minus 1. Okay. So here 1 minus 6 into sigma d square, that is 16. Now here n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 observations there. So 5 5 are 25 minus 1. Okay, so here value is 1 minus, that is a 16, value is 96. So here 96. Now 5 are 25, 25 minus 1, 24. Okay, now here 25 minus 1, 5 are 25, 25 minus 1, 24, 24 into 5, 120, 24 into 5, 24 into 5, that is 120. Okay, so here 96 divided by 120, 96 divided by 120, value is 0.8 here. So now 1 minus 0.8, value is 0.2. So value of R, that is 0.2. So correlation of the relations between x and y is positive, but partially positive, not a perfectly positive. Okay, because value is 0.2. And if value of R, that is less than 0.5, it means that there is a positive correlations between x and y, but partial, not fully. Okay, not perfect correlations. Okay, so here question number 13 is finished. So section D is also finished. Thanks a lot.